One word can change your job title's meaning, in, for, or as. Let's test you. Here we have in, for, and as. In is used for place and location. And for industry. It's also used for field and department. For is used for company and employer. And as is used for name of the job. Now let's answer these questions. Number 1. I work blank a teacher. What is the correct answer? In, for, or as? Here the keyword is teacher. And what is it? Is it the name of place, location, company, or job? It's the name of the job. So the correct answer is as. We say, I work as a teacher. Number 2, I work blank a tall building. We will answer this question at the end of the lesson. Number 3, I work blank a hospital. What is a hospital? And which one is correct, in, for, or as? Hospital is the name of place. So the correct answer is in. We say, I work in a hospital. Number 4, I work blank Google. What is Google? Is it industry or a name of company or job? It's the name of company. And here we said for the name of company we use for. We say, I work for Google. Number 5, I work blank an engineer. Engineer is the name of the job. So the correct answer is as. We say, I work as an engineer. Number 6, I work blank the marketing department. Here we have the word department. And here we said, for department, we use in. We say, I work in the marketing department. Number 7, I work blank publishing. What is it? Is it the name of place, location, employer, or job? Actually, publishing is a field or a sector. And here we said for field, we use in. We say, I work in publishing. Number 8, I work blank an office. We know that office is a place. So the correct answer is in. I work in an office. Number 9, I work blank Dr. Brown. What is it? Is it a company, job, industry, or employer? Dr. Brown is the name of employer. And we said for the name of employer we use for. I work for Dr. Brown. Number 10, I work blank a designer. Here again we have the name of the job. Designer is a job. So the correct answer is as. We say, I work as a designer. Number 11, I work blank the IT industry. Here the keyword is industry. And we said for industry, we use in. I work in the IT industry. Number 12, I work blank Tesla. We know that Tesla is the name of a company. For the name of a company, we use for. We say, I work for Tesla. Number 13. I work blank my friend Dave. My friend Dave is the name of employer. So the correct answer is for. We say, I work for my friend Dave. Number 14. I work blank a bank. We know that a bank is the name of place. So the correct answer is in. I work in a bank. Number 15. I work blank finance. What is it and which one is the correct answer, in, for, or as? We know that finance is a field or a sector. So the correct answer is in. I work in finance. Number 16. I work blank Mrs. Smith. Mrs. Smith is the name of the employer. So the correct answer is for. We say, I work for Mrs. Smith. Number 17. I work blank a nurse. We know that a nurse is the name of the job. So we use as. We say, I work as a nurse. Number 18. I work blank Apple. We know that it is the name of a big company. So the correct answer is for. I work for Apple. Number 19. I work blank a factory. Here again we have the name of place. So the correct answer is in. We say, I work in a factory. Number 20. I work blank healthcare. What is it? Is it the name of company, employer, or job? It's a field or sector. So the correct answer is in. I work in healthcare. Number 21. I work blank the sales department. Here again we have the word department. So the correct answer is in. We say, I work in the sales department. Number 22. I work blank a director. We know that director is the name of the job. So the correct answer is as. I work as a director. Number 23. I work blank education. We know that education is a field or sector. So the correct answer is in. I work in education. Number 24. I work blank an airport. We know that an airport is a place to work. And for the name of place, we must use in. I work in an airport. Now let's answer question 2. I work blank a tall building. What is it and which one do you use? In, for, or as? Let me know in the comments. Here we have the word tall. To know its grammar and its difference with long, watch the next video. If you enjoyed the quiz, hit like and subscribe for the next challenge.